In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the default zoom level in Google Docs. Whether you prefer seeing more on your screen at once or need a closer look, adjusting the zoom level can make your document viewing experience much more comfortable. Let's dive in and explore how you can control this setting both within Google Docs itself and through your web browser. First, let's look at how you can adjust the zoom within a Google Doc. Start by opening any Google Doc. Once you're in the document, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top of your screen. Here, you'll find a zoom drop-down menu, which typically shows a default of 100%. Clicking this drop-down menu presents you with several options. You can choose a percentage like 50% or 75% depending on how much you want to zoom out or in. There's also an option labeled Fit, which adjusts the document to fill the width of your browser window thoroughly. However, it's important to note that this adjustment is temporary. Unfortunately, the zoom will reset to 100% the next time you open the document. Now, if you're looking for a more permanent solution, consider setting the default zoom level via your web browser. This is a little trickier, but can be incredibly efficient. While you have a Google Doc open, you can use your browser's zoom shortcuts for quick changes. Simply hold down the Control key on your keyboard while scrolling your mouse wheel. If you scroll up, you'll zoom in, and scrolling down will zoom out. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can use the zoom controls found in your browser's main menu, typically indicated by 3 dots or lines. This feature allows you to customize how much of the document you want to see at a glance. The great news is, once you've set your desired zoom level using these browser controls, it stays that way. This setting will remain as the default for all documents you open, at least on that particular computer and browser. It's a convenient way to ensure you're always working with your preferred view without having to make the adjustment each time. However, if you ever want to revert back to the browser's original default setting, you can do so effortlessly by using the Ctrl+0 shortcut. Hitting these keys will instantly reset the zoom back to the browser's default setting, giving you a quick way to adjust if you've gotten a little overly zoomed in or out. And there you have it. By following these simple instructions, you can set a default zoom level in Google Docs that suits your needs and enhances your productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to adjust your settings to make document viewing a bit easier on your eyes.